Huh?
Hey, call your cousin over.
There you go.
Why? Just because it's black? That'll be it, yeah.
That's racist.
Black and high.
He's more copper toned.
There you go. You got it. You got it, bucko.
They're looking for his KU.
It's my relations. That's Brother Crow.